Hey guys, happy Monday. Today's video is just gonna be a quick, simple peachy eye look using the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. I got this last week and since then I've just basically fallen in love with this palette. So I wanted the opportunity to use it again here on my channel so you guys could see another look. I'm gonna try to keep this look as monotone as possible potentially because I just want a nice like peachy springy look. So yeah, let's get right on into this. So I've taken a little bit of my P. Louise base in Rumor 2 and I just placed that on the lid and I'm about to blend it out. This is the e.l.f. concealer brush that I'm using. This is like one of my favorite concealer brushes ever and I believe it's only like $3. So I'm taking this BH Cosmetics brush number 8 and it's from the Marble set. And I think I want to start off with the shade Meadow, which is this pinky shade right here. Well, peachy pink shade. I don't know if I want it to just be one color or like I want it to get deeper. I think I'm just going to focus on Meadow only. So I'm going to take this and put it over the lid. On the lid. And I'm just patting that on for right now. Building up the color. This color would make a cute glossy lid. So now that I've finished packing that on, I'm taking this Morphe M535 brush, which is just like a basic all over blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of where I placed Meadow. Alright, so I'm done basically blending out the edges of the shadow. I did dip back into the shade just to like go over it with some more shadow to help blend it out. That sometimes helps spread the existing shadow that you already laid down with the flat brush. Okay, so now I want to do some under eye work with the Morphe M431 pencil brush. I'm going back into Meadow, same color. And I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. I'll pack and then blend it out the same routine that I did with the top part. I'm going to blend out the lower lash line with the e.l.f. crease brush. Just going to lightly go in and blend it. Okay, so with the lower lash line, I did not go back in with any more shadow because I didn't want it to get like too messy and fall out over my face. But pretty much, this is what I want it to look like. So, I'm debating on if I want liner or not, and I'm thinking that I don't. But sometimes that makes it harder to blend the lashes with your lashes, and yeah. So first I'm going to go in with this NYX Worth the Hype mascara and I'm going to coat my lower and bottom lashes with this. Now I'm going to pop on these lashes. These are the Kiss lashes in the style Teddy. I think it's from their like faux meat collection. These are really cute. I wore them already once before and I really like the way that they look on my eye. The band is a little thick, so it's harder to conceal, but as long as there's nobody all up in your face, you should be fine. I didn't even cut these yet. That doesn't mean that they necessarily fit. Like I could definitely cut off a piece to make it fit better. I think the last thing I'm gonna do is add some of this Makeup Forever artist color pencil in the shade Whatever Black to my waterline. I normally would go in with a white color just to open my eyes up some more, but I'm feeling black today. So I'm going to use the lipstick that I bought with the collection. It's the shade Spring Roll, and it's in their Creme Luxe formula. I like the color a lot. It's definitely something that I could see myself wearing like on a daily basis. So I'm lining with BFF3 from Colourpop. I feel like Colourpop needs to come out with a BFF4. Like, this can go darker. I want to add a little sparkle to my inner corner, so I think I'm going to take the Super Shock shadow side to side and put that on the inner corners of my eyes in the like tear area. Okay, so I added a little bit of sparkle action to the inner corner, and I think this is it for the look. It's nice and simple, easy, affordable. I think everything I used on the eye was drugstore except for the eyeliner pencil, which you can find a cheap one from like Wet n Wild. But yeah, brings simplicity. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you all had a great weekend and are ready to start this week off with a bang. If you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video from me. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.